should never get into the bad books of Salman Khan. Very true. You all have seen the downfall of Prince Vivek Oberoi. With a hope in his heart, Vivek still publicly apologizes to the Dabangg star at every event. But Sallu pays no heed. However, it seems that Vivek can heave a sigh of relief as Salman has found a new toy with which he can play. Yes, and it's none other than the blue-eyed Kapoor boy Ranbir. After throwing an array of insults at Katrina Kaif, Salman now has shifted his focus to Ranbir. We all know how Katrina ditched the hunk of Bollywood for the young Kapoor lad. This didn't go down well with Sallu Mian and he is out to take revenge now. Salman's latest production, Chiller Party, is all set to release this Friday. Ranbir Kapoor too joined the item boy bandwagon with his Tapori number Tie Tie Fish for the movie. But poor chap Ranbir didn't know what's in store for him. During an event, Salman proved his superiority by saying that he could have chopped Ranbir's item number easily if he wanted. Shocking, right? Hear it yourself.
No. Of course I wanted to be there. If I didn't want to be there, they wouldn't have been there.
Surprisingly, despite Salman narrating the story of the item song,
concept है कि लोग रणबीर कपूर के पास जाते हैं पैसे इकट्ठा करने के लिए परफॉर्मेंस देंगे, फिर उनको परफॉर्मेंस जमती नहीं है, फिर बोलता चलो सल्लू के पास चलते हैं. तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट है उसका.
This scene is not a part of the film. It doesn't end at that. The item song is said not to even come in the end credits, which rolls along with the NG shots. The much talked about song comes right after the credits roll. Only Salman Khan can answer if it was a deliberate attempt on his part to make the audiences miss Ranbir's item song. This is Sonal Vaikar for Aashri.com.